Every February, deep in Val Resia in Friuli Venezia Giulia, something ancient awakens.
In the village of San Giorgio, the Resia Carnival bursts into life.
Dancers in dazzling white dresses and handmade flower hats whirl through the streets. For hours, it's pure energy as the community celebrates the end of winter.
Che significato ha questo carnevale per Val Resia?
Tu vieni a Resia, non hai il carnevale che trovi a Venezia, che trovi in altre parti d'Italia. Trovi una cosa genuina, una cosa particolare, che è nel cuore di tutti i resiani e di tutta la gente che vive in questa vallata.
Carnival is explosion of colors and music and dancing and all the color of the world. And our dresses are the white of the snow with the color of the flower that represents springs and yes, color, joy, and all the beautiful things of the world.
We always wait 1 year for this event, and it's the time we can enjoy it all together and feel like a community and live like a community.
We are here to celebrate a special Italian carnevale. It's Püst for this region, Friuli Venezia Giulia, and we are in Resia Valley. And this is an ancient carnival. It lasts for hundreds of years. And so we are here to celebrate this special day.
I'm not from here, really, but I love so much this place. And then I'm so happy to be here.